Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the Skidmark daily challenge of 15 May 2021. Here this is the question: define class person. The below Java program accepts the name, weight and height of a person. Then the program has to calculate the body mass index, which is nothing but a BMI of a person, and then prints the output as a given in an example input output session. Okay, please define the person so that the program runs successfully. We have to complete this incompleted statement. They have already taken care of the input parts, and they have printed this BMI in one decimal places. What we have to do is just print this name, weight, height format, and also we have to create a person class to calculate this get body mass index, and we have to return this calculated value. Simple though. Let's see in a programmatical way. For that, I'm copying this value and then pasting it here. Here we got decimal format text, and we don't need this star. We just using only the scanner, so we can took off the star and we can use scanner. And here this is the main class, and they have referred this person class here. So that's a normal class, right? We don't have to specify public the person. And then here they have called this or created this person object with the parameters of 3 parameters, which is nothing but name, height and weight, right? So for that we have to create a constructor, which is nothing but the function, a special function which uh, doesn't have any return type but also have the class name itself. So I'm creating this function person constructor here with the argument of string name, integer weight and also double height. In this person parameter I have to assign the values for this get body mass index, because they have passed this or called this function with 0 parameters. So here this is the public function with the return data type of double the function name get body mass. This needs to return a value of that formula. What was that? Here it is. BMI equal to 29.4, which is nothing but weight by height into height. So here I have to return this weight into height. I think this is a division operator. So we have to return this value, but unfortunately we don't have this weight and height for this function. For that I'm creating a private variable so I can access this variable for the get body mass index function without any error. If I define this as a public value, it's a common thing, so it searches for this created value name with these values, and it will throw me an error. The string name is already defined. To get rid of this error, I'm creating a variable of private private keyword private string name absolutely it contains null value at the beginning. Private integer weight, it also doesn't have any. This should be double, right? Double height, and I'm assigning this name equal to this start name equal to name. If I mention this, it will assign this name to this name itself, but I need this name value should be declared to this one, right? So you already guessed that I have used this to mention this. So I'm using this dot name equal to name, this dot weight equal to weight, this dot height equal to height. Like, instead of using this values, it's a standard format, but if you guys don't like it, or if you are confusing with whether this should be placed for this one or that one, in those case you can create some variable with some other name. Here I can do name d, which is nothing but duplicate, so I can get rid of this, and I can use t. I'm not going to change all the values, but for the example I'm going to use this. So if I run this program, it will ask me for the name. I'm going to stick with the user input. I'm kind of pasting here. So it just returned the BMI of 29.4, that what we really need. But instead of this name, weight, height, it just returned something person at 333 something, right? This is nothing but the object. It just printed this object in a string format. We can say this is the address if we are familiar with C. So instead of this, it's just printing this object as a string, right? For that, it using toString method. So we can override this, like override public, that should return a string value, right? String data type to string of, it doesn't have any parameters, and in this we have to return return name is name plus new line plus, what was that, weight with weight and new line, and then height, right? Height with height. So if I run this program, we will get something what we really want. So whether I'm here, we get the name, weight and height. This height should be for 2 decimal value, right? At this time we are getting it because we are passing the height as 2 decimal places. But if we pass the height of something n decimal places, we'll get the same, because we are not formatting here. For that, we can format this as a string that format of the format we need is .2f, and the value should be formatted is height. So by this way we can get something we really need. See, for example, if I pass something with n decimal places, we will get only 2. Here we are getting the first 2, right? Because we have formatted this height value with 2 decimal places. I think that's all we need for this skid mark problem. Here this is the solution. We have to consider, or we have to fill up on the blanks. I'm highlighting it, but it seems like a cringy thing, so leaving as it is. Thank you guys. Thanks for the love and support. That's it for today's video. We'll see you soon with some other new concept or new PC. Bye.